Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video is 5 minutes eye look, a quick date night look or evening look. So I just apply plouise base all over my eyelid, shade 4 rumor. I dab that all over my eyelid. So the eyeliner eyeliner gel I'm using is from Tech. It's not showing on my skin, as you can see. That's not what I want. At least I did try. I hope you're doing well, guys. I'm going to reach for something else now. I got Maybelline eyeliner gel. Julia said, wow, because this is what I'm supposed to use. This is what I'm looking for. But, oh well. So I know now, next time, I will not touch that eyeliner because it's not good. Okay. So once I've done that, I will use a palette from Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, Universal Planet. I will use that black shade, and the shade actually called black because what I have used so far is cream base. And I want it to be matte, so I am not applying this matte shade all over on top of it. Once I've done that, I will go in with the Juvia Place S Fumi. I use the shade Ole. I will dab Ole all over my brow bone area. As you can see, there is a big line, so I went back in with Beauty Glaze eyeshadow. The shade I am using now is called Vermeil. So I'm using Vermeil to blend between the two shades I have used so far. As you can see, that line has disappeared. Then I went back in with that same black shade. I want it to be intense but not too intense, so I am going to go back in again with that brush I have in my hand just to blend them together. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just blending the two shades together. If you can blend, you can do eye look. That is the magic. You see that line disappeared. So then I will go back in with Universal Planet palette. The shade I'm using is Space, is pressed glitter. I will just press this all over my eyelid. I'm just dapping it in, kind of stamping in. As you can see, just stamping it in. It's gorgeous, this shade. Once I've done that, I will use that same brush with nothing on it, just to get rid of the excess glitter on my brow bone area. Went back in with Maybelline. I just want to do my waterline slash my lash line. I think both are the same. Lash line, bottom lash, lash line, both are. Oh well, you guys know what I mean. So I just applied that cream base Maybelline eyeliner. Now I'm going to diffuse it now with that same shade Ole from the Juvia Place palette S Fumi. Once I've done that, I will go back in with the shade Vermeil. Yes, I will use that to diffuse it furthermore. Exactly what I did on my eyelid. Just clean again, excess glitter. Then I went back in with Glam from the Juvia Place palette S Fumi. Pop Glam on my inner corner. Gorgeous. This is from Revolution mascara, newly released. So gorgeous. This, I'm just gonna do my mascara. There you go, guys. If you like this 5 minutes quick video, please let me know, guys, so I can be doing more of this. I'm using eyeliner from Primark just to make my lash line a bit intense. MIT2 style, MIT2 from our lash collection. Guys, What do you think? Julia is dancing there. Hey. What do you think, guys? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more of this, let me know. Julia just wink you. I just zoom you in to see the full details. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.